everyone, welcome back to my channel, Miss English Grammar. As I said in my last video that I will bring types of noun as my next topic, so I'm here with my second video. Dear students, let's begin our today's topic, types of noun. Nouns can be broadly classified into proper nouns, common nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, concrete nouns, compound nouns, abstract nouns, and verbal nouns. So students, let them discuss one by one in detail. First one is a proper noun. Proper nouns are those nouns which are used to name a person, place, or thing specifically. Students, remember that maybe some of you do this mistake that they write a proper noun with a small letter. But remember that proper nouns are always started with a capital letter. For example, my name is David. You can see in this sentence, name of a particular person is mentioned. So this is a proper noun, and you can also see this underlined word David, a name of person, is started with a capital letter. And the next example is David is going to America. In this sentence, America is a specific place name, so it is also started with a capital letter. Let's move to our next type, common nouns. Students, common nouns are those nouns that refer to a generic item, group, or place. It means generally when we call the name of a person, place, or thing, that is a common noun. Students, a thing to remember is that common nouns are not capitalized unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Some examples of common nouns in a sentence. I bought a book yesterday. So in this sentence, book is a common noun. I am going to home. So here in this sentence, home is also a common noun. Dear students, I have shared here a picture of abstract and concrete nouns to make you understand well. On the comparison, you can understand. On the first side, you have abstract nouns. Let's see the definition. Abstract nouns are words that refer to entities that we cannot feel with our five senses. We cannot touch them, we cannot see them. For example, love, knowledge, and trust. On the other side, we can see concrete nouns. They can be actually detected and felt with our five senses. For example, we can touch a book, so we can see a tree, we can touch it, and a car. So these all are concrete nouns. And the next type is countable nouns. As the term itself suggests, refer to things that can be counted. In countable nouns, we need to remember that they have the singular and plural forms. For example, we can say table, tables. So the words which can have s or yes after them with their plural forms, they are called countable nouns. Some of them are exceptional cases as well. For example, if we see man, it does not take s or es with it. And child, it also does not take s or es with it, but the man has a plural form as men and the child has plural form children. In contrast, we can see that uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted. Unlike countable nouns, they are not having any plural form. For example, dirt or rice. Then collective nouns. A collective noun is a noun that refers to some sort of group or collectives of people, animals, or things, etc. You know what? That these collective nouns are normally considered as singular nouns. For example, team, class, or group. The next type is compound nouns. Compound nouns are the words for people, animals, places, things, or ideas made up of two or more words. For example, if we see fireflies or toothpaste, or we can see blackboard. So these are the combination of two or more words. So students, here comes the last but not least one, verbal nouns. You know, a verbal noun is a type of a noun that is derived from a verb. It looks like a verb, but it's not actually a verb. It functions as a noun in a sentence. It is also called a gerundial noun, and simply we can call it a gerund in a sentence. For example, if we say smoking is his habit, so here smoking is working as a noun. It looks like a verb, but it's not working as a verb, it is working as a noun. And you know that gerunds always come with ing form. Let's see another example. If I say I love painting, so in this sentence, painting is not working as a verb, it functions as a noun in the sentence. So we have understood, students, that a gerund or a verbal noun or a gerundial noun can work as a subject or as an object of the sentence. So these were the major types of noun. If you have got all the types, do tell me in comments, like, share and subscribe.